Welcome back to Cock Channel. Here's a super easy DIY hair clip you can make in no time. Let's get started. Prepare 2 green channel stems. Flatten them gently from end to end with a clip. Take one flattened channel stem and bend one end into a curve. Twist it twice to secure. Repeat the same on the other end. Trim off the excess. Take another flattened channel stem and fold it in half. Leave a 2-3 cm tail. Fold both ends inward. Wrap the channel stem around a pen or any round rod like this. Curl both ends. It should look like this. Take the hair clip base and apply some hot glue. Attach the tail piece first. Then glue on the wings. Take a yellow channel stem and flatten it gently. Cut it into 5 small pieces. Trim each piece into a diamond shape. Repeat the same steps with 3 different colors. Now glue the diamond-shaped petals together. Add a small pearl bead in the center. It should look like this. Repeat the same process with the remaining diamond-shaped petals. Add a few more small pearl beads for decoration. And that's it. Quick, easy, and super cute, right? Don't forget to show me your finished creation.